In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to pay with Apple Pay on Pandabuy. Begin by opening the Pandabuy app on your device. Log in to your Pandabuy account using your credentials. Tap on the account button located below. Then select the balance option. Enter the amount you want to top up and click Confirm. On the Checkout tab, select the bank card's payment option. Alternatively, choose the second option, which includes Apple Pay. Tap on the Pay button below the selected payment option. This will take you to another tab. Log in to your account or authenticate using Apple Pay, depending on your chosen payment method. Follow the prompts to enter any required information and complete the transaction. And congratulations, you've successfully paid with Apple Pay on Pandabuy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.